Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 9, that is about 3 square. 25, that is about 5 square. So we have the formula in here. Log base a of b to the power of c equal to c log base a of b. So I will put number 2 go outside and this one go outside. Next, we have the second formula in here. And this one equals to number 1 and number 1 in here. So we just have only number 2 and number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.